Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to view all the shared photos in your Telegram app on PC. With the latest update, finding and enjoying those special moments has become super simple. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, enter your details or scan the QR code using your mobile app to connect. Once you're in, look for the chat where you want to view shared photos. Click on that chat to open the conversation. This will take you directly to your discussions. Now that you're in the chat, head to the top of the screen and click on the chat name. This will bring up the chat information page, where you can manage settings and view shared media. Next, you'll see a section labeled Photos. Click on this option to access all the images that have been shared in that chat. It's a great way to relive memories without scrolling through endless messages. Finally, browse through the photos displayed in this section. You can click on any image to view it in detail or download it for your collection. And that's it. You can now easily access all shared photos in your Telegram chat on PC. Enjoy revisiting those cherished moments.